In this video, I am going to teach you how to set up Visual Studio Code for development. So the first thing that you need to do is to download Visual Studio Code into your device. So just go to code.visualstudio.com, and then you should be able to see this download for Windows button at the center part of your screen. So once you click onto it, an executable file will be automatically downloaded into your device. So after downloading that, you just need to simply click onto it for it to be able to download or install it completely into your device. So then once you click onto that, then you should have the instructions on how you can install it into your device. You just need to follow it through. So then after downloading your Visual Studio Code, you should install the following extensions that I am going to show you for your Visual Studio Code to be web development ready. So then open the VS Code and navigate to the extensions view by clicking onto the square icon situated on the left side bar of your screen or in the activity bar, or you can just simply press Ctrl+Shift+X on your keyboard, and then you should be able to open the extension page on your Visual Studio Code. So then for the first one, we are going to install Live Server. So right here. So then once you see this one, you just need to install it into your Visual Studio Code. So this launches a local development server with live reload feature for static and dynamic pages. Next one is Prettier Code Formatter. So you have this one. You can just install it by clicking onto this install button on the upper side part of your screen or upper part of your screen. Next one, we have the ESLint. So it integrates ESLint into the VS Code for identifying and fixing linting errors. Next one, we have the HTML, CSS support. So this provides IntelliSense for CSS class names in HTML. So you have more of the extensions. So we also have JavaScript, path IntelliSense, auto rename tag, and the bracket pair colonizer. So if you want to set up the live server extension, so after installing it into your Visual Studio Code, you can open your HTML file in the VS Code. You can right click onto the editor and select open with live server to launch a local development server, and your default browser will open, displaying your web page with live reload capabilities. And if you haven't already, for customization, you can install a theme extension to change the appearance of VS Code, and you can search for themes in extensions view and install one that suits your preference. And you can just set the installed theme by navigating to the file, go to the preferences, just like so, select theme or color theme under the theme section. So by following these steps, you'll have a well-configured environment in Visual Studio Code tailored for web development, enhancing both productivity and code quality. So that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.